Hi there, so Pete and I thought we're going to do a quick video on how to open and close a window. It seems basic, doesn't it? But we do get a lot of customers that go away and perhaps the window gets stuck. So this is a show van, and I can feel actually that it's had quite a lot of use. So opening the window, closing the window. I've got it ajar, one click up, and then all the way up to close. But there's another way. So I can first click, I'm on. I don't have to go all the way up. I can oh, just before the next click, it will go back down. So second click, just before the third click, I can go all the way back down. Or I go all the way up to close again. Now let's say it did get wedged here and you can't do anything about it. In here there's some ratchets. And what you can do is put a bit of force this way and then the ratchet will come down. Or this is where you'll grease as well. If you put silicone spray, you put it in here, window up and down quite a few times, get it lubricated. When you do lubricate it, we're going to leave the window open just so that the oil's not going to then drip all down the window. Okay. Thank you for looking.